Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a filing that is all about saying goodbye to some debt, but is it a strategic move or a signal of something else? Stick around to find out. This is a current report filed by Bancorp Incorporated, and it is all about a specific event that happened on the 28th of October 2025. The main story here kicks off with a notice sent to the holders of their 5.00% fixed to floating rate subordinated notes due the 30th of November 2030. So what this boils down to is the company is calling back all of these notes. Think of it like calling in a loan you took out. They are telling everyone who lent them money through these specific notes that they want to pay it all back early on the 30th of November 2025. Now, how much money are we talking about? They owe a total of $10 million on these notes. It sounds like a lot, but for some companies it can be a manageable amount. The key here is that they are choosing to pay it all back, not just a portion. The payoff is pretty straightforward. They will pay back the full $10 million plus any interest that has piled up but hasn't been paid yet, right up until the day before they pay it off. So no surprises for the note holders. They'll get exactly what they are owed plus a little extra for the time value of money. Now, why would a company decide to pay off $10 million in subordinated notes early? There are a few possibilities. One is that interest rates have fallen significantly since they issued these notes. If they can borrow new money at a much lower rate, or if they just have enough cash on hand, paying off the old debt makes sense. Another reason could be to simplify their debt structure, getting rid of older or more complex obligations, or it could be a signal of confidence from the company. Paying off debt can sometimes be seen as a sign that management believes the company is on solid financial footing and can handle these obligations without issue. However, it is also worth considering if this move might weaken their financial flexibility in the future. Subordinated notes are typically a form of debt that is lower down the priority list if things go south. By paying them off, they are reducing their leverage, which is generally good, but it also means they are using up cash that could have been used for other investments or to weather future economic storms. This filing doesn't give us deep dives into their financials right now. It's more of an announcement to get a real feel for why Bancorp Incorporated is doing this. We'd need to look at their broader financial picture, their cash flow, and their other debt obligations. But as a standalone event, it is a clear decision to reduce their debt by $10 million. Looking beyond this specific notice, it's always a good idea to see how a company is performing overall. Although this particular filing is focused on an other event, if Bancorp Incorporated has other recent reports like a 10Q for quarterly results or a 10K for annual results, those would give us the juicy financial details. Wednesday want to look at their revenue trends, profitability, and how much cash they are actually generating. That would help us understand if this debt reduction is a strategic move by a healthy company, or perhaps a necessary step to cut costs. So, what is my take on this? On the surface, paying off debt is usually a positive sign. It reduces interest expenses and improves the balance sheet for Bancorp Incorporated. This $10 million redemption clears out a specific liability. It could mean they are optimizing their capital structure, perhaps taking advantage of lower interest rate environments, or simply strengthening their financial position by reducing their debt footprint. The key will be to watch if they use their freed up resources effectively in the future, whether for growth initiatives, strategic investments, or simply to maintain a stronger defensive posture against unexpected market shifts. Without more financial context, this is a neutral to slightly positive event, indicating proactive financial management. Alright, that is our quick decode of this Bancorp Incorporated filing. What do you think this $10 million debt payoff signifies for the company's future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this insight valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate document breakdowns. And don't forget to join our fantastic Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.